Hey guys, how's it going out there? I just got back from the Bullseye Target because I wanted to get this pretty cool Hamilton Beach electric kettle, which lights up blue while it's boiling, so you can watch the bubbles. So watch pot never boils. Hamilton Beach has disproven that. Well, here's the deal though. What I wanted to talk about today, I mean, I'll do a review of this product, I'm sure, but what I really wanted to talk about was price. So, you know, even though Target's got a nice logo that looks like a smiley face or a frowny face or both at the same time, here's the deal. They're a retailer, okay, and they're a big retailer, and they're out to get your money. That's what retailers do. They want your money. So, but they also want you to think like you're getting a good deal, right? So I go to buy this thing, which, by the way, next door at Kohl's was like 45 bucks. And it's the regular price at Target is $39.99. It's marked down 5 bucks, so it's $34.99. But I knew before I went that it wasn't supposed to cost that much because I was looking for an electric kettle online. And I just so happened to go to Target's website, and this very same kettle, see, model number here, 40869, is listed for, what's that say? $26.49. All right. So if I were just walking in off the street, I would have thought, wow, what a great deal. Okay, I'm getting an amazing deal. You know, it's cheaper than it was at Kohl's. It's $5 off, so I'm going to pick it up. And they would have charged me $34.99 plus tax if I had not known this. But since I had been just fortunate enough to look at the Target website and found out it was actually listed for $26.49, they did what they call price match. And most retailers will do this. They'll match the price of, certainly on their website, and usually competitors as well. So don't be afraid to like fight for your rights and fight for that extra dollar. I didn't have to fight. All you got to do actually is go up to the customer service window cashier, which is actually usually faster anyway. It wasn't my case today. And just walk up and say, hey, look, I saw this online for $26.49. The lady behind the young lady behind the counter, and she was pretty young, she didn't fight or anything. She just said, yeah, our online prices are different than our store prices. She did not explain that at all. I didn't ask for an explanation. I just said, oh, can I get it for this price? She said, so you want to do a price match? And I said, yes. And she did. And so I just paid normally and went on my merry way. So that's all you got to do. You just got to like do a little bit of research, save yourself $10 or $12 on a purchase that's listed normally for $40. You know, I saved 10 some. I mean, that's like 25% savings. So like, it's nothing to sneeze at. So that's all I had to say today. I hope you guys are out there smart shopping, and remember the price match for the retailers. And if they say no, that's fine. Just, you know, you can either determine what you want to do from there. Either ask for a manager, or you can just drop it, buy it online. Usually there's free shipping, and if not, you know, it's not a big deal. But for me, that was a win today. I wanted to share it with you all. I hope you all have a great day out there. Save your money. Save your money. Retire someday. I'm thinking about it myself. All right, have a good one. Oh, by the way, if you subscribe to this video and I can start making money off these videos, then I can retire someday. So please subscribe to my videos. Thanks.